Hello everyone, welcome to my new video after a long time. So today I am going to discuss some important points which one should follow during the preparation of IIT JAM 2024 exam. Actually, most of the students sent me message and ask their doubts. So I think that if I make a video regarding these points, then it will be helpful to many other students also. Okay, so that's why I am making this video. So the first point, how to manage college classes. It is the most common question, and most of the students who are preparing in current year, who are now in final year and preparing for 2024 exam in his or her BSc third year. So it is a very important question and important doubt that they ask how to manage college classes. So I have 2 points for you. One point, if you already cover most of the syllabus of IIT JAM exam, then you can go regularly college classes and follow your college class, and because you can recover if you are covering most of the syllabus, I mean most of the pure mathematics part syllabus like real analysis, linear algebra, this part, because other parts are minor and easy. OD, multiple integral, MVC, these are easy and these are not time taking. But the important parts is that real analysis part and linear algebra. If you already cover this, you can follow college classes and you can go there, and you can, I mean, you can regularly follow the classes. It's not a problem. But if you are not preparing well till now, I mean, if you have not covered lots of syllabus well, then you should manage your college classes. I mean, say you have to go 5 days in college, you should go 3 days and you should off 2 days. Okay, in this way, and make a proper routine. Okay, make a proper routine. Uh, After coming back home, try to give at least 2 or 3 hours for IIT JAM exam. Okay, and also if you are taking coaching, I know that if you are taking coaching you have to see lecture videos and you need to solve assignments. This is important. So in that case you have to do hard work. Okay, there is no option for you, because since you are current year students, I also face this problem during my preparation, but I maintain it, and finally I got rank 1 in my BSc. I mean overall, and my CGPA is 9.26. So it is not a big issue. If you, so that's why try to make a proper schedule. Okay, try to make a proper schedule and proper routine for particularly IIT JAM preparation, and do it regularly. Okay, so if you regularly maintain this schedule, then it will not create any problem. And even if you can't manage this, then my suggestion is that try to pass the semester exam. And to pass the semester exam, the minimal things which you should do, you can do it, nothing more. Just for passing, what you should do, you can do, because I know some students who are getting good rank, under 100 rank also, but their BSc marks are not good because they are completely focusing on IIT JAM and they pass their BSc exam. So you can do it also. Okay, so that is not a problem. So according to your situation, you should do it. Okay, the second point is that this is the question of most of the dropper student, that I become demotivated, how to control it. I can understand uh, what I want to do, so how to control this thing. Okay, many students asking me this question. So my suggestion to all of you, that if you are being demotivated, or if you are feeling pressure, then that would not be good for your preparation as well as not for your health also. Okay, because if you are doing this, then it will not be helpful for your preparation, and it will not increase your marks in IIT JAM exam, right? So you should not do it. You should do as much as you can. Okay, you should think that you should prepare, and you should prepare very well, and you should tell yourself that I can do as much as I can. I will try my best. And I believe if you are trying your best from your heart, and if you are doing hard work, then definitely you will be successful. This is true. So you should not be demotivated. Many students, even I want to mention one name here. Uh, there was a girl student who are now in. I don't mention her name because maybe she is not comfortable for this. So I will not mention her name. But one student in IIT Madras now, this year. In previous year, her rank was approximately 3,500, but in this year, her rank is 300 approx. So she can also do it. And also some boy I know in 2022, I think his rank was 200, it's sorry 2,500 approx, and he get under 100 rank this year. So there are many examples. So if they can do, then definitely you can do also. Okay, so it is not a problem. So that's why I will tell you, don't be demotivated. Okay, don't be demotivated. Don't you should not feeling pressure. Okay, you should focus on your study, and you should do hard work, and think that I can do what, I mean, as much as I can. Okay, I will try my best. That is the important thing. And if you are doing well, I mean, if you are preparing from your heart, if you are doing hard work, then definitely you will be successful. The third point which I should mention here, importance of reading books. Some students are asking me that they are preparing from coaching, and they are doing assignments of their coaching, uh, and follow their class notes, but is it important to read books to get good rank? Here I want to mention two things. One thing is that if you are doing self study, then definitely you should read, because you don't have any materials, so you should read book. And the second point is that if you are not doing self study, if you are taking coaching, then you should follow your coaching materials. Okay, and also I will mention, if you are already covering the syllabus, most of the pure mathematics, again I want to tell, most of the pure mathematics syllabus, because applied mathematics syllabus is not difficult, it depends on practice. So, and you have enough time also. If you are practicing good, then you will do good in that part. But in pure mathematics part, there are many questions which come, and they are conceptual question. Okay, so that's why it is important to understand the concepts very well. So if you have already covered the syllabus, then you can read some particular books. Like for real analysis, you can read Butler Shevert and Schemapa's book, and also Walter Rudin's book for exercise. If for linear algebra, you can read Stephen Friedberg's book and its exercise. And for group theory, you can do Gallien's book. Okay, actually reading books is not bad, and also reading books is actually important and actually helpful, because if you are reading books, then your concept will be increase increase. Okay, and it is actually helpful. But since you have not lots of times, since you have 6 months left, and you have to cover all the syllabus, and also you have to do practice, that's why if you are new, I mean, if you have not covered the syllabus well, then you should not read books, because reading books takes time. Because one by one, line by line, you should read, and you should understand the proofs and concepts and examples, and then you have to solve exercise, so it will take time. Okay, so those who are already completing the syllabus and try to increase your concept level, they can read book and solve the exercise. And those who have not complete the syllabus well, they should not read book, they just focus on their coaching materials and notes, and that would be helpful. for them particularly. Okay, because if you have not covered the syllabus well, and if you are trying to read books now, then it will waste your time and you will not be able to cover all the syllabus before IIT exam. That's why I mention it. Okay, fourth point is that I study whole day but I can't solve problems. Some students are telling me that they are studying a whole day, almost 10 to 12 hours, but they are unable to solve problems. I mean, they can't solve conceptual problems. So for them, I just want to suggest the amount of time you are studying, that is not important. The amount of time you are studying effectively, that is important. I mean, if you are doing study for 1 hour and that is effective, then it would be better than studying 8 hours. Studying is not just like you are reading some materials or you are reading some books and you are solving that problems. You have to visualize everything. Okay, everything means most of the case I am telling about pure mathematics part, because for IIT JAM exam pure mathematics part is important. It will determine your selection, because applied mathematics is almost easier and most of the students can solve the parts. Okay, but conceptual problems most of the students cannot solve, and if you are solving conceptual problem, then it will be helpful for you to get good rank in jam. Okay, so that's why effective study is very important. I mean, just say you are studying some theorem. Okay, you know some theorem that continuous image of closed bounded interval is closed and bounded. You are reading this, you are you are note down this theorem and you are recalling this result, but it is not enough. You should understand why closed and boundedness is important here. What will be happen if I remove the term bounded? What will be happen if I remove the term closed? Will it not be true if I use open interval? Okay, also this is true for other theorems also, like Planck nullity theorem, and also there are lots of results in group theory also. Okay, the the result which are which are numerical result, like how to find number of generators of cyclic group Zn, what is the cardinality of un, I mean how many homomorphisms from one group to another group, that thing, and also some some results of real analysis and linear algebra, you should recall it. But the thing is that whenever you are studying some important theorems or important results, try to look it proofs at least one time. If you have not lots of time, then also you should read at least one time the proofs of standard theorems only. Okay, you should not read everything from book, or every proof. You should not recall that. That is not an important issue for IIT JAM exam. But I will suggest that for particularly JAM aspirant, those who are preparing for TIFR, ISI, CMI or other exam, that is different. For them, understanding proof, recalling proof and write down the proof, everything is important. But those who are particularly preparing for IIT JAM exam, and for them it is not important, but if you just reading the results, you can't solve problem. You have to visualize everything. Visualization is very important for pure mathematics. Not just using result, not like some test of series and sequence. Okay, comparison test, limit comparison test, Cauchy condensation test, many things. But you should understand why for particular test some condition is important. Like Cauchy condensation test says that the term should be positive and monotone decreasing, right? But why monotone decreasing is important? Why monotone decreasing is important here? If we remove the term monotone decreasing here, will it not be satisfied? Why it is not satisfied? What is the importance here? You should think that. Okay, if you think this particular if you are thinking in this way, then pure mathematics will be easier for you. And if you are doing good in pure mathematics, then definitely you will get good rank, I can assure you, because this is the main part most of the students are facing difficulty. Okay, so okay, now the fifth point is how to understand my preparation level. some students are asking me that they are studying very well and they are solving problems, they can solve also, but how they can understand their what is their preparation level. Okay, so to understand your preparation level you have to give mock test. Okay, and I think now it is not the time for giving mock test. You should start giving mock test from October end, November. You can start from now also, but important time is October end or starting of November. You should start giving mock test, and after giving mock test you should analyze your score, and also you should analyze your rank. Suppose 100 students are giving exam and your rank is 10, that means you should understand that your percentile score is 90. Okay, I mean not 90, I mean you are out of 100 students your rank is 10. Okay, that means you can think that out of for 13,000 or 14,000 students your rank should be near about 400 to 500. Okay, but if you are continuing, if you are continuously doing getting under 10 rank, then you should remember that your preparation level is going to increase and you will do good in exam. This is not a big issue. Okay, so to understand your preparation level you have to give mock test and you have to analyze your score and you have to compare your score with highest score or most of the students score, or you have to analyze your rank, how many students are giving the exam and what is your rank. You should analyze in this way, then you can understand what is your preparation level. Okay, the sixth point which I should mention, some of the students asking me that I am getting I got AIR 8 in 2023 exam, then how to get under 10 rank. Okay, so truly speaking, I also mentioned the same thing in my video which I made for last 6 month preparation strategy for IIT JAM 2024. In that video I also mentioned the same thing, and in this video I will mention the same thing, that there is no way, I mean there is no particular way. If you follow that particular way you will get under 10 rank. Yes, if you search in YouTube, there are some videos in which thumbnail says that how to get under 10 rank within 2 months, how to crack IIT JAM within 15 days, how to get AIR 1 in IIT JAM 2024. Yes, this video is for views only. There is no, I mean, reality in this video. That is just, I mean, that is just useless video. Okay, because there is no particular, I mean, particular way or particular preparation strategy for that you can assure that I will be get under 10 rank. But my suggestion is that if you are doing hard work, if you are, I mean, if you are focusing your study very well, if you are doing hard work, and if you are trying to achieve your goal, then definitely you can do. I can't assure that whether you can get under 10 rank or under 20 rank or on AIR 1 rank, because I believe that AIR 1 and AIR 15 there is no as such difference. If you are taking 5 tests, since IIT JAM is happened only one time in 1 year, if you are taking 5 tests, I mean say 5 times IIT JAM will happen. Okay, then you can see maybe in first exam one student get 1 rank and one student are getting 10 rank. Maybe in second exam the 10th rank students become first and the first rank student become 15. It may be happen, because it actually depends on the situation of your exam hall, how is your health condition, how is your brain condition at that particular moment, everything. So there are many relative concepts, I mean relative situations and many other things which you will face in the exam hall. So it is not important, and you can't say that I will be getting under 10 rank or one will be getting under 10 rank. That is not a fact. Even if you are good students can't. Okay, so it is very important that there is no separate way, but if you are doing hard work, if you are trying to achieve your goal, then definitely you will achieve. Okay, so that is the entire, I mean that is the entire thing I should mention here, and I think that every point I should clear you. Okay, I have already cleared you every point very well, and I think it will be helpful to all of you. thanking you. And even if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, or also you can mail me. And those who have my contact number, you can ask me personally. There is no problem. Okay. So the only suggestion is for all of you, make a proper schedule for your preparation and don't waste your time. Okay, focus on your goal and do hard work, because truly speaking, that I want to suggest that some students also one point I should mention, some students are asking me that is actually the JE level student who are preparing for JE or the JE standard, they are good, there is it advantage for them for IIT jam? I will tell you, there is no advantage, because higher mathematics is completely different for high school mathematics. Okay, and I also want to say, I I just qualify JEE main, okay, but I don't have good percentile. I mean, I don't have a good percentile to get a good NIT also. But even if I don't have, um, I mean, I don't have lots of knowledge. In these 3 years, I have done lots of hard work to learn higher mathematics, and that's why I achieved my goal. So even if you don't have any, and I mean, even if you don't have any idea, and you are preparing for this particularly exam for this year, then also you can achieve your goal if you are doing hard work. So everything depends on your hard work. So for pure mathematics part, try to visualize everything. It is very important. And for applied mathematics part, do practice very well. Lots of practices needed. Okay, to do first calculation and to make correct calculation. Okay, so that's why that is the entire thing I should mention here. I think all the points will be helpful to all of you. And even if you have doubt, you can ask me. No problem. I am always ready to help you. Okay, thanking you. Keep watching.